Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So in the series of digital electronics, today we will learn about the number system, right? So we will learn about the decimal number system, we will learn about the binary number system, we will learn about the octal number system, and we will learn about the hexadecimal number system. So basically in the digital electronics, these four types of number systems are available. Okay, so we will understand one by one. So so uh, if the base or radix of the number system is given by r, small r, then the number present in the number system is from 0 to r minus 1. Let us say the base of this decimal number system is 10, right? 10. So this is basically nothing, this is r. So this decimal number system can be represented from 0 to r minus 1, right? 0 to r minus 1. So that means 0 to 9. So this decimal number system can be represented at 0 to 9, means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? 0 to 9. So decimal number system can be represented from 0 to 9 because the base of the decimal number system is 10. Okay, so now let us understand about the decimal number system, right? So base or radix of the decimal number system is 10. So it can be represented from 0 to 9, right? 0 to 9. So let us take an example here. So you can see this is 123.123. This is basically a decimal number system of base 10, right? 123.123 of base 10. So the left side of this decimal is called integer part, and the right side of this decimal is called fraction part. Okay, so this 123 is integer part and this 123 is fractional part, right? So so the successive position to the left of the decimal, to the left of the decimal, this is decimal and this is the left and this is the right. So the successive position to the left of the decimal is given by 10 to the power 0, then 10 to the power 1, then 10 to the power 2, and then 10 to the power 3. So this is 10 to the power 0, this is 10 to the power 1, and this is 10 to the power 2, right? And the successive position to the right of the decimal, this is the right of the decimal, is given by 10 to the power minus 1. So this is 10 to the power minus 1, this is 10 to the power minus 2, and this is 10 to the power minus 3. So this is basically power of base 10, right? Power of base 10. So in the decimal number system, if you want to represent any decimal number system, so the successive position to the left of the decimal is given by this, and successive position to the right of the decimal is given by this, right? So let us consider one example and how we can write it mathematically using decimal number system, right? So this is the integer part and this is the fractional part. Okay, so of power of base 10, right? So this is integer part and this is the fractional part. So if you want to write integer part, that is 1 2 3, you can write it, this is unit, tens and hundred. So this is 3 to 1, and the weight of this 3 to 1 is given by 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1, and 10 to the power 2. Okay, the beta of 3 is 10 to the power 0, the beta of 2 is 10 to the power 1, and the beta of 1 is 10 to the power 2. And the fractional part for is 0.123, 0.123, and the bit for 123 is given by 1 is 10 to the power minus 1, 2 is 10 to the power minus 2, and 3 is 10 to the power minus 3. So now if you want to write it mathematically, how you can write it? So it's very simple. If you want to write it mathematically, you will write it 123.123 power of base 10 equals to 1 into 10 to the power 2. Okay, this is, you can see here, this is 1 into 10 to the power, this goes here 10 to the power 2, plus 2 into 10 to the power 1, 2 into 10 to the power 1 here, plus 3 into 10 to the power 0, this is 3 into 10 to the power 0, right? Plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 1, plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 1, plus 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, right? Plus 3 into 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. If you solve this, you can find this decimal 123.123 number. Okay, so hope you understand the concept for decimal number system. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.